Hello. In today's session, we are going to see how we can assign IP address manually to our computers. So to begin, you can just go to the start button, then you can right click and then you go to the control panel. You can so you can see all these hubs or the settings are opened here. We don't need all this, so we can go to the main menu of the control panel, then we click on the network and sharing center, and then you can see there is already opened, so you can click on the change the adapter settings, and then you can see there is a network that is opened. You can just right click on it and then go to the properties. Then from the properties you can just go to where we have the internet protocol version 4, that is the TCP/IP/IP. That is you can just click on it and then you click on properties. Then you can see here we have checked the readable box for obtain an IP address automatically, so we can check that and check use the following IP address. So by these we shall be dynamically maybe assigning the IP address. So if you are not sure of which class is your gateway or your router or your network, you can just go to the start here, and then so you can just search the CMD, or you can just right click on it and then you open the command prompt here, and then you can type the IP config to check the network, the class of your network or the IP address of your network, and then you can click enter, and there you have all the details. So you can see, like, currently we have our gateway, which is 192.168.4.64.1. so this one is our gateway or our router or IP address. So anything that we need to assign it, we need to assign it from maybe from 2, 3 all the way to 254. Remember 192.168.64, this one is the network ID, and then we have one here, this one is the host ID. And remember, for class C we normally have 2 raised to power 8 minus 1, which gives us a maximum of 255, meaning that we cannot take all the host of 255, but we have 254 and then we reserve the 255 for the broadcasting. So you can see the sub mask, that is the subnet mask here. That is for class C is 255.255.255.0. If it was a class B, it could be 255.255.00, and if it was a class A network, it could be 255.0.0.0. So now with that, we assured that is our IP address that we have, so we can just close this, and so when we come and tick here, we can come and assign the IP address there, as maybe we have seen ours is 192 dot maybe 168 dot 64 maybe dot 1 dot 2, so we can give it to dot 2, and then so we can also give our subnet. So you can see our subnet comes automatically because this one it detects it is a class C network. And then we can give our gateway. Our gateway, remember, here was 190. Our gateway was our gateway was 192.168.64, and then this one was .1, so that was our net. So if we have another computer, we can still assign it to another. Remember also here you need to give the DNS server for this, and then from there you can just click OK, and there you have the network assigned. If you want to change that settings, you just go to the normal, you click that, then you come to the properties again, and then here you can just tick the one that was there, which was the obtain IP automatically. So remember, this one will be the work of your DHCP server that will be automatically be assigning from your router, will be assigning any computer that is connected to within that range of maybe from 1 to 254 hosts. So that is how you can connect. So that brings us to the end of this session. I was your trainer Maurice Morene. If you found these of importance to you, consider subscribing, like, and share it to many others so that you can have the same knowledge. Thank you.